Welcome to the Dr. Skincare channel. I'm Claire, your guide to the fascinating world of skincare and cosmetic science. I am an expert working in a major cosmetic industry laboratory in Europe, specializing in the creation of private label skincare products. Every video I share with you is the result of years of research, scientific expertise, and a deep passion for the beauty and health of the skin. We'll dive into the secrets of active ingredients, the magic of formulations, and the latest advancements in cosmetics. We break down complex formulas, making them accessible and easy to understand. Here, you'll discover what really works for your skin, straight from the laboratories to the shelves in your bathroom. Whether you have dry, oily, sensitive, or acne-prone skin, Dr. Skincare shares tips suited to your specific needs. Our advice is based on practices tested and validated by top skincare experts. Whether you're looking for solutions to improve hydration, soothe redness, or manage oil production, you'll find clear and practical answers here. We dive into the latest trends, break down popular products, and explore the newest innovations in skincare. We're here to help you find products that are genuinely worth it and to uncover what makes each trend unique and exciting. Better understanding your skin also means better protecting it. On Dr. Skincare, we explain how to prevent skin issues, incorporate simple and effective steps into your routine, and adopt skincare habits that make a lasting difference. Here, we value dialogue and exchange. Feel free to ask questions, share your experiences, and take part in this wonderful community passionate about skincare and beauty. Dr. Skincare is more than just a channel, it's a space for sharing and learning about cosmetics. So, subscribe to make sure you don't miss any of our videos. I'm here to answer any questions you have, so feel free to drop them in the comments.